Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Target 100 in Mathematics by Shivesh Kumar Singh, and today we are going to see how to write a rational number in the form of a decimal number. Okay, no doubt we are going to learn about the long division method also for the same thing. Okay, let's start the lesson. For example, question can be write 1 over 7 as a decimal expansion. Okay, so here what we have to do, questions will not be difficult here, but just it will be little lengthy because you will have to divide. Okay, and as the second part of the question they can say, then decide whether it will be terminating or non-terminating but repeating decimal. For the second part there is a shortcut also. At the end of this video I will tell you that shortcut, but before that let's learn about the long division method. I am sure maximum of you know this thing, but just to complete the question, let's do it. See, here in the long division method you have three parts. What we have here: dividend, then divisor, then quotient, and after that remainder. Okay, so just remember all these names. This is called quotient. What we say? Quotient. Then this is called remainder. Then another one is called, outside number is called divisor, and the inside number is called dividend. Okay, so just remember all these names. Maybe they can ask find the remainder when 1 is divided by the 7, so you should know that what part is called what name. Okay, now let's have long division method here with for this question. So 1 is the dividend and 7 is the divisor. So 1 here inside, 7 outside. Now 1 is smaller, 7 is bigger, so here it will become 0, then decimal point, 1 0 will come down. Now it is 10, it is 7, so one time it will go, so 7 times 1 is 7, then minus here 3, then put 0 here, then 7 times 4 28, then minus 2. See, till when we are going to continue this division process? Till we get either it is terminating or we get the same pattern again, means we started with 1, so unless we'll get 1 again, okay, or you can say we'll get, yes, for the 1 as a remainder I'm saying, so then till then you will continue. Okay, now so this is 0, 7 times 2 14, so this is remainder is 6, again 0, 7 times 8 56, then minus 4, 7 times 5, before that 0, 7 times 5 35, then it become remainder. I will write here remainder is 5, so 0, 7 times 7 49, then minus and then 1. See, we started with 1 and we got 1 again. It means this pattern will continue now after 7. So here 1 over 7 will be 0.142857, and since it is a repeating number now, so it will be like a bar like this. This line is called bar, and bar means that these numbers will be continuously repeating for infinite times. Okay, so like this you can represent the number as a decimal expansion. Another example can be like they can say 3 over 400. Okay, now you see denominator we have two zeros here, so it's going to be little easy for us. What we can do here, just not to divide the number by 400. You can divide, okay, it's okay for you, but I'm going to do like this: 3 over 4 times 100, because dividing by 100 is easier for all of us. Yes, so I'm putting this 100 separate and 3 and 4 will be divided. So 3 divided by 4, so it is not possible because 3 is smaller than 4, so 0 here, decimal here, and 1 0 here. 4 times 7 28, then minus, here comes 2, then 0, 4 times 5 20. This is finished. Yes, so this is the example of terminating decimal. So what we are getting here? 0.75 over 100. What about 100? For 100, decimal point will shift 2 places to the left. So it will become, after 75, you will put 2 zeros and then decimal and 0 here again, nothing down. So answer is what? 0.0075. And this is the example of terminating decimal. And before the example was non-terminating but repeating decimal. Okay, so like this you can decide for any number that whether it is terminating or non-terminating but repeating decimal, but make sure that your calculation is correct. Okay, otherwise if you will do some wrong calculation, then definitely you are going to get the wrong answer. Now what is that shortcut what I was telling you, that because of that you can find that whether it is terminating or non-terminating but repeating easily. Okay, see, I will tell you. If denominator is written in the form of, if denominator can be, if denominator is factor of 2 and 5 only, denominator is a factor of 2 and 5 only, means 2 power anything and 5 power anything. It can be n number of times. Okay, like 2 can be 3 times, 5 can be 5 times, it's okay, but factors must be only 2 and 5. So if denominator is factor of 2 and 5 only, then decimal will be, then that decimal will be terminating, will be terminating. Okay, we will see again by an example. For example, if I say 6 over, say, let's talk about 200. Okay, we don't know that how, we are not going to do the long division, but here you see, I want to draw your attention only on 200. So 200 can be written as 2 multiply 100. 100 further can be written as 2 multiply 50. 50 can be further written as 2 multiply 25. 25 can be written as 5 multiply 5. So what you can see here, I'm sure you know about the exponent. Yes, for that I have made the separate video, you can see that. So 2 raised to the power 3 and 5 raised to the power 2. So what we can see here, 200 can be factored only in the form of 2 and 5. So this will be the terminating decimal. But what will be the decimal expansion? For that you will have to divide it. Okay, so I am sure you understood this video, and if you think that it will increase your knowledge, please share my channel with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you.